medical profession, known as the noblest profession in the world, has also become a very coveted achievement, more so in India. This is because of the number of medical aspirants outnumber the number of medical seats available in medical colleges in India. India has a severe shortage of doctors in the world health scenario. Judging with the numbers of the developed countries, India would need almost 2.4 million, that is 24 lakh doctors, to reach the same proportion as the developed nations. Due to the shortage of the professionally qualified doctors and dearth of seats in medical colleges, the need to go abroad for medical education for Indian medical aspirants has become eminent. Admonishing the necessity to address these issues, the Medical Council of India and the Health Ministry, as one of the measures, enacted the Screening Test Registration Act of 2002 to allow Indian nationals with foreign medical qualification to practice in India after minor formalities. These legal provisions pave the way for more medical aspirants from India to seek admission in foreign medical universities for medical education. In the present scenario, the parents and aspiring students are at the crossroads, puzzled and confused about the choice of the medical colleges and countries abroad, as various options are available. Besides, the Indian students who go abroad for medical education to different countries face various difficulties and hardships. Generally, they face problems like linguistic barriers, the necessity to learn a foreign language, difficulty to interact with patients, adverse climatic conditions, non-availability of English-speaking professors, restrictions in hands-on practice, poor patient strength in hospitals, alien and racism, and many more. Transworld Education Academy Private Limited, the principal education associate of Davao Medical School Foundation, Philippines, emerged successfully as the pioneer to identify and present the Indian medical aspirants, Philippines, as the ideal choice to pursue medical education abroad.
When I was trying to explore for the various options which were available for the medical study, I had explored the various countries like Russia, China, Ukraine, but finally I decided on DMSF because it falls on the same tropical zone and the disease pattern which is going to be same as per the Indian condition. If you put them in China, Ukraine or somewhere, the disease pattern is totally different. So the doctors who come from there do not have the right experience which is required for the doctors to serve in India. DMSF being the one of the institute who gives a lot of hands-on experience, which was one of the deciding factors for me to decide that yes, I should select DMSF for my daughter.
Transworld Education Academy offers a pre-medical course for us, and before coming here I did do a lot of research in the medical programs offered abroad in countries like Russia, Ukraine and China, but I came to the conclusion that medical in Philippines is a much better approach and a much better opportunity for Indian students because it prepares us with the point of view of cracking the USMLE examination.
Hence, amongst the various options, Philippines is embarked as the ideal destination for Indian students. Being an Asian country, it enjoys tropical climatic conditions and hence similar disease spectrum as in India, and students are exposed to similar diseases as in India during their clinical training. Since it's an Asian country, no racism or alien situations for Indians. Also, Filipinos are known for their hospitality. Indian students feel at home during their stay at Philippines.
Davao is becoming an international hub. People here are very warm and friendly. I'm finding a lot of friends, not only amongst Filipinos but from other countries also.
In addition to these, the salient features of medical education in Philippines amongst all the other countries, the distinctive aspect is that of the success rate in the screening test conducted on behalf of Medical Council of India for foreign medical graduates. In all the screening tests conducted in the previous years, the success rate of graduates from Philippines facilitated by Transworld is much higher than the graduates from other countries. In addition to these unique advantages, Philippines medical education which follows the American curriculum, is an exemplary platform to enter into USA for medical profession or higher studies. Admonishing the various advantages that Philippines offer, Transworld associated with the Davao Medical School Foundation to articulate the means for Indian students to pursue medical education provides the best of facilities both within India and at Philippines. The services offered by Transworld is very much recognized both by parents and students, and nevertheless to say by the parent university also. Our expertise extends to guiding the students through every step of admissions, preparing you through the preparatory program in India and guiding you through visa immigration process and post-graduation services also. Philippines follows the American system of medical education, and the degree awarded shall be MD, Doctor of Medicine, which is equivalent to MBBS in India. As per the American system of medical education, the basic qualification for admission into the MD program is a BS degree after 12th standard with biology, physics and chemistry. To facilitate Indian students with added academic facilities, the BS program preparatory course is offered integrating spoken English coaching, basic teaching in anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. It is facilitated in Pune and the duration of the course is 1 year and 4 months.
നമസ്കാരം, എൻ്റെ പേര് അൻസ. ഞാൻ കോട്ടയത്ത് നിന്നാണ് വരുന്നത്. ഫിലിപ്പൈൻസിൽ ചെയ്യുന്ന MD കോഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് പ്രീമെഡ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് ഞാനിവിടെ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ പ്രധാനമായിട്ടും 3 സബ്ജക്റ്റുകളാണ് ഞങ്ങളെ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്: അനാറ്റമി, ഫിസിയോളജി, ബയോകെമിസ്ട്രി. അതുകൂടാതെ സൈക്കാട്രി, സൈക്കോളജി, ഫിലിപ്പിനോയും പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ പഠനത്തിന് വേണ്ടുന്ന എല്ലാവിധ സാഹചര്യങ്ങളും സൗകര്യങ്ങളുമുണ്ട്. അനാറ്റമി ലാബ്, ഫിസിയോളജി ലാബ്, ലൈബ്രറി, ഒപ്പം തന്നെ 24 മണിക്കൂറും വൈഫൈ ലഭ്യമാണ്. ഇവിടെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സും മറ്റ് സ്റ്റാഫും കുട്ടികളോട് വളരെയധികം ഫ്രണ്ട്ലിയാണ്.
On successful completion of the BS, the students pursue their 4-year of MD education at Davao Medical School Foundation, Davao City, Philippines. The facilities offered during the preparatory course are of international standards. Well-equipped, air-conditioned classrooms with audio-visual facilities, state-of-art modern laboratories with qualified and experienced teaching faculty, knowledge resource center, library with a wide collection of subject books, reference books and journals, and audio and video materials, Wi-Fi facilities in the campus, modern computer lab with latest computers and communication systems, well-furnished multi-sharing hostel rooms with attached bathrooms, hygienically maintained kitchen and dining hall that serves healthy, sumptuous food, and it includes all Indian and continental delicacies, indoor and outdoor sports and games facilities, an ultra-modern gymnasium with qualified trainers for both boys and girls. About Davao. Davao Medical School Foundation was established in July 1976 and it was the first college to set in Mindanao.
Hello there. Let me welcome you to Davao Medical School Foundation. It is a paradise for those who seek a career in the medical profession.
The Davao Medical School Foundation is a friendly, caring, and supportive environment. Our mission is to train competent medical practitioners who are dedicated to their patients and to the community. This we achieve through excellence in teaching, research, and service.
Consortium details. In addition to the College of Medicine, it operates a College of Dentistry, College of Nursing, and Institute of Primary Healthcare. Davao Medical School Foundation is listed by the Medical Council of India and the qualification is recognized by the Medical Council of India, approved by the Commission of Higher Education, CHED, and permitted by the Philippines government to enroll foreign students as per EC provisions. WHO, FAMER, and ECFMG recognized. There are 125 faculty members drawn from a wide range of medical specialties to impart the best of theoretical and practical knowledge to the students. Davao Medical School Foundation's own and affiliated hospitals have a total bed strength of 3,000 beds, where the students are provided excellent hands-on practice during their clinical rotations under the supervision of expert doctors. As the average bed occupancy in the hospitals is 85% all through the year, the students have more than sufficient number of patients for clinical experience. Hundreds of Indian students graduated from Philippines, facilitated by Transworld, have successfully passed the screening test and are doing their internship after provisional registration with the Medical Council of India. Their clinical expertise and knowledge is well recognized in all the hospitals wherever they are registered for their internship. To name a few: the Apollo Hospital Group, CMC, Christian Medical College Hospital, Vellore.
Hi, this is Dr. Stephen. I'm originally from Dharmapuri district in Tamil Nadu. I finished my medical course, Doctor of Medicine, from the Davao Medical School Foundation in Davao City, Philippines. Right now I'm doing my internship in the Christian Medical College Hospital in Vellore. As you all know, it's one of the most reputed hospitals and medical institutions, not just in the country but throughout the world.
Ruby Hall Clinic, Pune, KEM Hospital, Pune, Lilavati Hospital, Mumbai, BJ Medical Hospital, Ahmedabad, KIMS Hospital, Trivandrum, etc.
I, Vikram Manamala from Chennai, completed my medical studies in Philippines, which is a better choice than any other country. I am at present pursuing my internship at Kilpak Medical College, Chennai.
To pursue such an excellent medical education at Davao Medical School Foundation, Transworld, with its rich experience, is committed to assist you in every step of the process during your education in India and at Philippines. Let us transform you from a 12th standard student to a MD degree doctor, licensed to practice anywhere in the world. Transworld, transforming ambitions into reality.
I'm here at Transworld today, but not too long ago, I did not get through the second round of my AIPMT exam, and like most of the other people, I was very, very depressed too. We can still become great doctors.
Hi, என் பேர் எழிலரசி. நான் சென்னையிலேருந்து வரேன். இங்கே 1 இயராக புனேயில் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் எஜுகேஷன் அகாடமியில் நான் ப்ரீ மெடிக்கல் கோர்ஸ் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன். இங்கே 6 சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் சொல்லி தராங்க. எல்லாம் நம்ம மெடிக்கலுக்கு ஃபவுண்டேஷன் கோர்சஸ். அண்ட் கேர்ள்ஸ் வந்து ஃபாரினில் படிக்கிறது எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். அனுப்புறதுக்கு ரொம்ப தயங்குவாங்க. பிகாஸ் அங்கே சேஃப்டி இருக்காது, பத்திரமா பார்த்துக்க மாட்டாங்கன்னு. பட் அதெல்லாம் இல்லை. இங்கே வந்து நம்மளுக்கு நல்லா பத்திரமா பார்த்துக்கிறாங்க. பயப்படுறதுக்கு ஒன்றுமே இல்லை. அண்ட் தமிழ் மீடியம்லேருந்து படிக்க வரீங்கன்னா அதுக்கும் நீங்கள் ஃபீல் பண்ண வேண்டாம். பிகாஸ் இங்கே இங்கிலீஷ் கிளாஸஸ் எடுக்கிறாங்க 2 hours எவ்ரிடே. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்தாலும் இங்கே சொல்லி அதை சரி பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
We are provided with all the equipment possible required for anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, and basically all the teachers concentrate on the applied aspect. What we study is what we apply it. We have the library which is open for 24 hours. We have access to all the books possible available to us.
নমস্কার, আমি মোহাম্মদ আবদুল্লাহ। আমি কলকাতা থেকে এসেছি এখানে, এবং অ্যাকোমোডেশন খুবই ভালো, খাবার খুব ভালো দেয়, এবং আমরা জিম ফ্যাসিলিটিস আছে, জিম এবং ইনডোর গেমিং ভালো মতো আমরা করতে পারি। আর এখানকার সমস্ত কিছু খুবই আমরা স্বচ্ছন্দে আছি। আর এই
syllabus on point and ya mismo mais wala jang local kanya to na yan Transworld Education Academy pre-medical course ko dibe ka hai pre-med kum khatsu mania em zo ayan Philippines sa pumli lesson betsu MBA zir to no pagde tanchina elai mo na yan concept to the fele mema kanzilai te also te ambele nom so te ambele min zitera college ne to pa le how to pa bere de saranya hemine la a kan har sanna no pagden engin kan chitlan china ne chala ne kan kon china le kan se to shim bi to me ko he kan ne la mo chala ne kan le kan hanai kan college le cafeteria te engin facilities ya champlum chai me ma chawangin no pagden har sanna kan ne mai lo ne have video tối tay cần show thêm cái lần tí lần đủ chứ cái này bọn này hàng nó bằng tên person là cần này đó cần yêu cầu cần gì đi cần cần share tiếp đuổi
नमस्कार, मैं श्रावणी मिश्रा हूँ, मैं गोरखपुर से हूँ। मैं बचपन से ही डॉक्टर बनना चाहती थी, तो मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे ट्रांसवर्ड एजुकेशन एकेडमी के बारे में बताया। मैं यहाँ आई, मुझे यहाँ आने के बाद बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। यहाँ के लेक्चरर हर टफ टॉपिक को भी इजी तरीके से पढ़ाते हैं और हर कुछ अच्छे से समझाते हैं हमें। और यहाँ आने के बाद मैंने बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स बनाए जो कि बहुत अच्छे हैं और बहुत हेल्पिंग हैं। यहाँ की हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है। यहाँ का खाना बिल्कुल मुझे तो घर के जैसा लगता है और यहाँ आने के बाद कोई भी तकलीफ़ नहीं हुई। और लाइब्रेरी है जहाँ पे हम कभी भी जाके पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं, रात में दिन में कभी भी। और मैं चाहती हूँ कि कोर्स कंप्लीट करने के बाद मैं वापस गोरखपुर जाऊँ और वहाँ पे जाके वहाँ के लोगों की सेवा करूँ।
हॅलो, मी अक्षय जाधव, मी मुंबईमधून आहे। माझे वडील डॉक्टर आहेत, म्हणून माझी इच्छा होती की मी डॉक्टर बनू। इथे पुण्यात मी 1 वर्षाचा प्रीमेड कोर्स करत आहे। इथे आल्यानंतर मला खूप बरं वाटलं। इकडचे प्रोफेसर्स खूप हेल्पफुल आहे आणि क्लासरूममध्ये इंटरॅक्शनही खूप होतं आमचं। अजून हॉस्टेलची सोय खूप चांगली आहे। जेवण 4दा मिळतं, सकाळी ब्रेकफास्ट मिळतो, नंतर लंच, नंतर 4 वाजता स्नॅक्स असतात आणि नंतर 8 वाजता डिनर असतं आणि दरवेळी खूप व्हरायटी असते आणि रूम्सही चांगले आहेत, खूप कम्फर्टेबल आहेत, सगळ्यांना एक लॉकर मिळतो।
హాయ్, నేను సాయి లక్ష్మిని. నేను ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్డ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అకాడమీలో ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ప్రీ మెడికల్ కోర్స్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ బేసికలీ 6 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 3 స్ట్రిక్ట్లీ మెడికల్, ఎనాటమీ, బయోకెమిస్ట్రీ, ఫిజియాలజీ. అవి కాకుండా సైకాట్రీ, సైకాలజీ, ఫిలిపీన్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కూడా నేర్పుతారు. హాస్టల్ విషయాలకు వస్తుంటే రూమ్స్ చాలా విశాలంగా నీట్గా ఉంటాయి. ఇంకా ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా ప్రతి స్టేట్స్ నుంచి జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఉన్నారు. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఫుడ్ ఫెసిలిటీ చూస్తుంటే ఇక్కడ భోజనాలు నార్త్ ఇండియా, సౌత్ ఇండియా 2 బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసి ఉంటాయి. మళ్ళీ ఈ ప్లేస్ గురించి నాకు అందరికన్నా ఎక్కువ నచ్చిన పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ కాలేజ్ క్లాసెస్, మళ్ళీ ప్రాక్టికల్స్, దట్ ఈస్ లెబారెటరీస్, మళ్ళీ ఇంకా హాస్టల్ ఫెసిలిటీ ప్రతిదీ ఒకే చోట ఉంది. ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్కి ఏది ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు.
નમસ્કાર, મારું નામ મૈત્ર પંડ્યા છે. હું અમદાવાદ ગુજરાતથી આવ્યો છું. હું અહીંયા ટ્રાન્સફર મેડિકલ એકેડેમીમાં પ્રી મેડિકલ કોર્સ કરું છું અને મારા મનમાં બી પહેલાં ડાઉટ હતો કે MCA ક્લિયર થશે મારાથી ને બીજા બહુ બધા ડાઉટ અને ડર હતા. પણ જે રીતે મારા સિનિયર્સે MCAની એક્ઝામ પાસ કરી છે વિથ હાઈએસ્ટ રેકોર્ડ છે કે સૌથી વધારેમાં વધારે ઇન્ડિયન્સ છે જે MCA ક્લિયરન્સ એક્ઝામ પાસ કરે છે. એટલે મને પૂરેપૂરો ટ્રસ્ટ છે ટ્રાન્સફર્ડ એકેડેમી પર અને જે રીતે રિઝલ્ટ આવે છે કે દવાઓ યુનિવર્સિટી છે જેનું સૌથી વધારે રેન્કિંગ છે MCAના મેરિટમાં ક્લિયર કરવાનું. એટલે મારો ટ્રસ્ટ પૂરેપૂરો ટ્રાન્સફર્ડ મેડિકલ એકેડેમીમાં છે અને હું બધા જ ગુજરાતીઓને કહેવા માગીશ કે તમારી
Ashraf from Chennai. AMM school is so last year I joined through Limsa. I'm the admitted. So this is for the DMSF college and Pune the first year. So we studied in a place called Transworld Educational Academy and 1 year over there and the rest how many years? 5 years. 5 years. So everything under your budget, like affordable.
And food, okay, நல்லா இருக்கும். South Indian food கிடைக்கும், North Indian food கிடைக்கும். But சாப்பாடுன்னு போனா அவ்வளோ எதிர்பார்த்து போற வேண்டாம். Like ஹெல்த்தியா இருக்கும், நல்ல ஹெல்த்தியா இருக்கும், ஹைஜீனிக்கா இருக்கும். நல்லா ரீசனபிளா வித் ஹாஸ்டல்ஸ் கம்பேர் பண்றப்ப ரொம்ப ஹைஜீனிக், ரொம்ப நீட்டா இருக்கும். ரூம்ஸ் தான் நல்ல வசதி. ஒரு புனே பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஒரு பிரச்சனையுமே கிடையாது. வெரி நைஸ் பிளேஸ், நைஸ் கிளைமேட், டீச்சர்ஸ் பெஸ்ட் டீச்சர்ஸ். அங்கே இருக்க ஃபேக்கல்டிஸும் நல்ல ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியாக பழகுவாங்க. லைக் தே டோன்ட் நோ இங்கிலீஷ் மட்டும்தான் தெரியும் அவங்களுக்கு, தமிழ் மோஸ்ட்டாக தெரியாது. பட் அவங்க எல்லாரோடையும் இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி தே கிரியேட் வெரி குட் rapport with people. ஸோ புனே ஸ்டே பெஸ்ட். அண்ட் Dawavingella, again, but good choice, all of you good choice. Thank you.
Okay.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Janika. I just joined here to my friend suggested me. He was before here. He joined before me. I did my schooling in Churchwood and I got a good score, but I couldn't get into medicine. Actually, it was really disappointing, and this was best choice I got. We had good education there. The climate, food was okay. You can't expect that good food, but you have to like it. Then about studies, it's good. We have good teachers there, and they were kind of what to do. They know how to treat us, and they met well with the youth people. So it was nice. They trained us well because we got a quite big exposure. We just didn't learn education studies. It was not just that, but we learned a lot of things more and more. That's what I really like about it. The same was really good. I hope all the best.
What about your parents? What they are doing?
My father is a businessman. My mom is a teacher.
What about you?
Appa Saudi Arabia. He's working. Amma is a school teacher, government school teacher. Arya Kamaraj.
Well, thank you. Sylvie, please.
Hi everyone, I'm Cynthia from Kodambakkam. 12th எனக்கு கம்மி ஸ்கோர் தான் கிடைச்சது, பட் ஆனால் I wanted to pursue medicine. That was my only passion. So I was referred by my friend here. Janika referred பண்ணேன். I came here. அங்கே எப்படி இருக்கும்னு எனக்கு ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு சின்ன ஜிஸ்ட் கொடுத்தாங்க. So I was impressed and I went over there. இவங்க சொன்ன மாதிரியே தான் எல்லாமே இருந்தது. The climate was good, the food was good. Teachers எல்லாம் நல்லா ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியாக இருந்தாங்க. And என்ன டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் வந்து எதுவும் யோசிக்காமல் யூ கேன் ஜஸ்ட் கோ ஹியர் யோர் அண்ட் ஆன் த ஹோல் இட் வாஸ் a good stay there and we learned a lot from that. Not only studies மட்டும் இல்லாமல் நிறைய லைஃப் லெசன்ஸும் இருந்தது. ஹாஸ்டல் இருக்கிறது எப்படி, அப்பா ஒத்துழைச்சு இருக்கிறது எப்படி, பூனேல ஒரு 1 year இருக்கிறது I think it's a good thing because டேரெக்டாக தவா போயிருந்தா கூட we'll have like parents miss பண்ணுவோம். So I think it's something good.
All the best.
Manish. Hi, my name is Manish. I'm staying at Bhatia and I do schooling at Angel Senior Secondary School. I came to know transfer after researching so much about different countries like Russia, Ukraine and all. My friends have gone there and one of them have also been cheated for some money. So my dad went and inquired a lot of places and finally he got to know about JMSO. You'll be doing your 12 months there, 3 subjects, anatomy, biochemistry and physiology will be doing. And everything is taught through a PowerPoint presentation. So